Okay, quick question. Have you ever walked into a coffee shop, tried to order in English, and the barista just stared at you like you spoke Martian? Yeah, me too. And you know what? It wasn't because your English was bad. It was because you used textbook English in a real-world situation. Today, Max and I are going to teach you the daily conversations that native speakers actually use, not the weird formal stuff from old English books. Trust me, by the end of this episode, you'll sound like you've been speaking English your whole life. Ready? Let's go!
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Oh, thanks, Max. And hello to all of you beautiful learners out there. We are so excited for today's episode.
Today is huge. We're covering daily conversations, the ones you actually need, not, "May I please have a cup of tea, kind sir?" No one talks like that anymore.
Right. We're talking about ordering food, asking for directions, making small talk, handling awkward moments, all the stuff that happens in real life. And we're going to make it so simple that you'll remember it forever.
Exactly. So if you've ever felt stuck in a conversation or you froze because you didn't know what to say, this episode is for you.
And here's the deal. We're not just going to teach you. We're going to practice together. So get ready to repeat, to role play, and maybe even laugh a little.
All right, let's jump in.
Okay, first situation. You're in a restaurant or a cafe. You're hungry. You want food. But how do you order without sounding like a robot?
Great question. So many learners say things like, "I want burger." And technically, it's understandable, but it sounds a little rough.
Yeah, it's not rude, but it's not smooth either. So here's what native speakers actually say. Ready?
"Can I get the burger, please?"
Perfect. Or, I'll have the burger, please.
"Can I get" and "I'll have." These are the two magic phrases. Say them with me. "Can I get the burger, please?"
Now you try. Say it out loud. Can I get the burger, please?
Good. Now try the second one. "I'll have the burger, please."
Awesome. Now, what if you want to add something? Like you want fries with that burger. What do you say?
Easy. "Can I get the burger with fries, please?"
Or, I'll have the burger and a Coke, please.
See? Just add "and" or "with." Super simple.
Now, here's a little bonus. What if the waiter asks, "What can I get for you?" How do you respond?
You can say, "Can I get the burger, please?" Or just, "I'll have the burger, please." Same thing.
But here's a pro tip. If you want to sound extra polite and natural, start with, can I get, or, yeah, I'll have.
That or "yeah" makes you sound more like a native speaker. It's a filler word. Native speakers use it all the time.
Right. So instead of jumping straight to, I'll have the burger, you say, yeah, I'll have the burger, please.
Try it. Yeah, I'll have the burger, please."
Perfect. Okay, now let's talk about a super common mistake.
Oh, this one drives me crazy. People say, "Can I have one coffee?" Don't do that.
Yeah, we don't say one coffee, we say a coffee or just coffee.
So, "Can I get a coffee, please?" Not one coffee. That sounds weird.
Unless you're ordering multiple things, then you can say, can I get 2 coffees and a sandwich?
Exactly, but for one item, just say Simple.
All right, quick recap. To order food, say, can I get the burger, please?
Or, "I'll have the burger, please."
Add or yeah to sound natural.
And don't say one coffee, just say a coffee.
Got it? Great. Let's move to the next situation.
Okay, imagine this. You're in a new city, you're lost, your phone is dead. What do?
You asked for directions, but how do you do it politely and clearly?
Here's the first phrase you need. "Excuse me, how do I get to..."
Repeat after me. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Good. Now, sometimes people will say, "Where is the train station?" That works too.
But how do I get to is more polite and natural. It shows you're asking for help, not demanding an answer.
Right. So practice this. Excuse me, how do I get to the museum?
Now, here's what the person might say. They might say, go straight, then turn left.
Let's break that down. Go straight means walk forward. Turn left means go left. Turn right means go right.
Easy. But sometimes people say it's just around the corner.
That means it's very close, maybe 1 or 2 minutes away.
Or they might say it's down the street. That means it's ahead of you, on the same street.
Now, what if you don't understand? Don't just smile and walk away. Ask again.
You can say, sorry, can you repeat that? Or, sorry, I didn't catch that.
Try it. Sorry, can you repeat that?
Perfect. And if you need them to speak slower, say, sorry, could you say that a bit slower?
Don't be embarrassed. Native speakers ask people to repeat things all the time. It's totally normal.
Exactly. And here's a bonus phrase. If someone gives you directions and you want to thank them, say, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Or just thanks a lot.
Simple, polite, and natural.
All right, recap time. To ask for directions, say, excuse me, how do I get to?
Listen for go straight, turn left, turn right, around the corner.
If you don't understand, say, sorry, can you repeat that?
And always thank them. Thanks so much.
Got it? Amazing. Let's keep going.
Okay, this is a big one. Small talk. You know, those short, casual conversations with strangers or coworkers?
Like when you're in an elevator or waiting in line or meeting someone new.
A lot of learners panic during small talk because they don't know what to say.
But it's actually super easy. You just need a few go-to phrases.
First one, how's it going?
Repeat. How is it going? This is a super casual way to say, how are you? And guess what? You don't need to answer with a long story.
Right. Just say, good, thanks. How about you?
Try it. Good, thanks. How about you?
Perfect. Now, if someone asks you, how are you, you can say the same thing. Good, thanks. How about you?
Easy. Now, let's talk about the weather. I know, it sounds boring, but native speakers talk about the weather all the time.
It's true. If you want to start a conversation, just say, nice weather today, huh?
Or, it's pretty cold today, isn't it? See that little huh or isn't it at the end? It invites the other person to respond.
It's called a tag question. It makes small talk feel more natural.
Try it. Nice weather today, huh?
Perfect. Now, what if you're at work and you see a coworker? You can say, hey, how's your day going?
Or, busy day? These are easy, friendly, and they keep the conversation light.
Now, here's a common mistake. Don't ask too many personal questions right away. Like, don't say, are you married? Or, how much money do you make?
Yeah, that's way too personal for small talk. Keep it light. Weather, work, weekend, plans. That's it.
Exactly. So practice this. Imagine you're in an elevator with a stranger. What do you say?
Try it. Hey, how's it going?
Good. Or, nice day today, huh?
Perfect. And if they respond, just smile, nod, and say, yeah, totally, or for sure.
See, small talk is not scary. It's just friendly noise.
All right, recap. For small talk, start with, how's it going? Or, how are you?
Talk about the weather. Nice weather today, huh?
Keep it light. Don't ask personal questions.
And always smile. Body language matters.
Love it. Okay, let's move to the next situation. Hold on. Before we go further, let me ask you something.
Uh-oh, what is it?
Do you know the #1 mistake learners make in daily conversations?
Ooh, this is good. What is it?
They say sorry way too much. Like, sorry, can I ask a question? Or, sorry, where's the bathroom?
Oh my gosh, yes. I see this all the time.
It's okay to say sorry if you bump into someone or if you make a mistake, but you don't need to apologize for asking a question or starting a conversation.
Right. Instead of, sorry, can I ask a question? Just say, excuse me, can I ask a question?
Or even just, hey, quick question.
That sounds so much more confident.
Exactly. So remember, don't over-apologize. You're not bothering anyone by speaking English.
Love that. Okay, let's keep going. We have more conversations to teach.
All right, next up, phone conversations. This is where a lot of learners freeze.
Yeah, because you can't see the other person's face, you can't use body language. It's all about listening and speaking.
But don't worry, we're going to give you the exact phrases you need.
First, how do you answer the phone? Simple. Hello?
Or if it's a work call, hello, this is Max.
Try it. Hello, this is... Then say your name.
Good. Now, what if you're calling someone? What do you say?
Start with, hi, this is Lily. Is this a good time to talk?
That, is this a good time, is super polite. It shows respect for the other person's time.
Right, so practice. Hi, this is... Your name? Is this a good time to talk?
Perfect. Now, what if the person you're calling isn't available? Like you're calling a business and you want to speak to someone specific.
You say, hi, can I speak to Sarah, please?
Or, hi, is Sarah available?
Try it. Hi, can I speak to Sarah, please?
Good. Now, if they say she's not here right now, you can say, okay, can I leave a message?
Or, okay, I'll call back later. Thank you.
See, simple. Now, let's talk about ending a phone call. Don't just hang up. That's rude.
Right. Instead, say, all right, thanks for your time. Talk to you later.
Or, okay, I'll let you go. Have a great day.
That, I'll let you go, is super polite. It means you're ending the call, but you're being respectful.
Try it. Okay, I'll let you go. Have a great day.
Perfect. All right. Recap. For phone calls,
Answer with hello or hello, this is, then say your name.
when calling, say, hi, this is your name. Is this a good time?
To reach someone specific, say, can I speak to name, please?
And to end the call, say, all right, I'll let you go. Have a great day.
Easy. Okay, next situation.
All right, you're in a store. You see something you like. How do you ask about it?
First phrase, excuse me, how much is this?
Repeat. Excuse me, how much is this?
Good. Or if you want to know if something is on sale, say, is this on sale?
Try it. Is this on sale?
Perfect. Now, what if you want to try something on, like you're in a clothing store?
You say, can I try this on?
Repeat. Can I try this on?
Good. And the person will probably say, sure, the fitting room is over there.
Now, what if you want a different size? You say, do you have this in a larger size, or do you have this in a smaller size?
Try it. Do you have this in a larger size?
Perfect. And if you decide not to buy something, don't just walk away. Say, thank you, I'm just looking.
Or, thanks, I'll think about it.
That's polite and natural.
Now, when you're ready to pay, go to the cashier and they'll say, will that be all? Or is this everything?
Just say, yes, that's it. Thank you.
And if they ask, cash or card, you say, card please, or cash please.
Easy. Okay, quick recap. For shopping,
Ask, how much is this?
to try something on, say, can I try this on?
For a different size, say, do you have this in a size?
And when you're done, say, thank you, I'm just looking. Or, thanks, I'll think about it.
Got it? Awesome. One more situation coming up.
Okay, last situation. Sometimes you make a mistake. Maybe you're late, or you spill something, or you forget to do something.
Yeah, it happens. So how do you apologize in English?
First, the basic one. I'm sorry.
But if you want to sound more sincere, add the reason. I'm sorry I'm late.
Repeat. I'm sorry I'm late.
Good. Now, if you really messed up, you can say, I'm really sorry. It won't happen again.
Try it. I'm really sorry. It won't happen again.
Perfect. Now, sometimes you need to apologize and explain. Like, I'm sorry I missed your call. I was in a meeting.
That's great because you're being polite and giving context.
Right. And if someone apologizes to you, what do you say?
You say, no problem, or it's okay, or don't worry about it.
Try it. No problem.
Good. Now, here's a pro tip. If someone says, I'm sorry, and it's really not a big deal, you can say, it's all good.
That's super casual and friendly.
Exactly. So remember, I'm sorry plus reason, and respond with no problem or it's all good.
Easy. All right. Let's recap everything we learned today.
Okay, before we recap, let's do a quick practice. I'm going to give you a situation and you're going to say the right phrase out loud. Ready?
Ooh, I love this. Okay, first one. You're in a cafe. You want to order a coffee. What do you say?
Go. Say it out loud.
Good. Can I get a coffee, please? Or I'll have a coffee, please.
Perfect. Next one. You're lost. You need to ask for directions to the library. What do you say?
Say it.
Good. Excuse me. How do I get to the library?
Love it. Okay, last one. You're on the phone. You want to end the call politely. What do you say?
Go.
Awesome. All right. I'll let you go. Have a great day.
You guys are doing amazing.
All right, let's recap everything we learned today.
Okay, number 1, ordering food. Say, can I get the burger, please? Or, I'll have the burger, please.
Number 2, asking for directions. Say, excuse me, how do I get to? And if you don't understand, say, sorry, can you repeat that?
Number 3, making small talk. Start with, how's it going? Or, nice weather today, huh?
Number 4, phone conversations. Answer with, hello, this is your name. End with, all right, I'll let you go. Have a great day.
Number 5, shopping. Ask, how much is this? And, can I try this on?
And number 6, apologizing. Say, I'm sorry I'm late, and respond with, no problem, or it's all good.
Those are the 6 daily conversations you absolutely need to know.
And the best part, you can start using these today.
Oh wait, before we finish, I have one bonus tip for you. Stay till the end.
Ooh, I love bonus tips.
Okay, so here's the secret. If you want to sound even more natural, use contractions.
What's a contraction?
It's when you combine 2 words. Like instead of I am, you say I'm. Instead of you are, you say you're.
Oh, yes. Native speakers use contractions all the time.
Right. So instead of I will have the burger, say I'll have the burger.
Instead of I am sorry, say I'm sorry.
It's a small change, but it makes a huge difference.
So practice using contractions. I'm, your, I'll, can't, don't.
Try it in your daily conversations. You'll sound so much more natural.
All right, everyone, we are so proud of you for making it to the end of this episode.
Seriously, learning a language is not easy, but you're here, you're practicing, and you're getting better every single day.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be confident and keep trying.
Exactly. So go out there and use these phrases. Order that coffee. Ask for directions. Make small talk.
And here's what we want you to do. In the comments, tell us, which phrase are you going to use today?
Yeah. Are you going to order food? Ask for directions? Make small talk? Let us know.
And if you have questions or if there's a topic you want us to cover next, drop it in the comments. We read every single one.
We really do.
And before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Mr. Englishman, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode.
Next time, we're going to teach you how to have deeper conversations in English, like how to talk about your dreams, your goals, and your feelings.
It's going to be so good.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for listening. We'll see you in the next episode.
Keep practicing, keep shining, and keep speaking English.
Bye.
Bye.